Hi, M5638. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Jolly Joy Kua. I'm from Saragossa, Bacnotan, La Union. I'm 37 years old. I have two kids, two boys, 20 years old and 6 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I took care of two kids, 2 years old and 6 months old.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
I'm cleaning the house. I'm cooking. I'm washing. I'm ironing.
Okay, and you have another experience in Taiwan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Taiwan.
I'm taking care of elderly. I'm doing household chores. I'm cleaning.
Also the house.
Yes, sir.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
I will wash my hand. I will sterilize the bottle. I will add the formula. I will add warm water. I will shake it well and the temperature and give it to the baby.
You will test the temperature and give it to the baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature. I will change his diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature and also change the diaper, you feed also the baby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer and tell her that her baby is not stopping crying
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is the safest place and higher salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me, rehire me.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I will call my employer first and I will ask her if she's expecting a visitor.
And if your employer doesn't expect any visitors that day, what will you do?
I will talk to the stranger and I will not allow him to get inside the house.
Okay. Do not talk to the strangers and do not allow the strangers go inside the house
Yes,
because
sir.
it is very dangerous to open the door if your employer doesn't know the person outside, right? Okay. Do you know how to prepare Chinese food? Because you are ex-Taiwan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Stir fry vegetable,
Okay,
steamed chicken,
okay,
steamed egg.
okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to color your hair into black because I saw that you have a blonde hair.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly because you have an experience, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there's any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Dear future employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and I will make your life better. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Julie. Thank you, Julie. Thank you.